Monomials, la la la. Polynomials, la la la. Monomial, la la la. A monomial is a polynomial. Just count the terms and you will get one. We can simplify the expression, so let us know the multiplication. Get the product, monomials. Get the product, polynomials. We need to study distributive property.